Okay guys, let me continue our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to place isolated foundation at the intersection of the grid lines. Isolated foundation is located under structure, and then you can see here the button, and then when you're hovering on that button, so a small window will appear on your screen and it presents how the isolated foundation is look like. Okay, then you can click the command, then Revit will prompt you this because we still don't have any family of structural foundation loaded. So then we press yes, and then the isolated foundation is located under the structural foundation folder, and then you can select any type of foundation that you want to place. I will use the M footing rectangular .rfa Revit family, then press open, and then the family of rectangular footing will be listed inside these properties. So currently we have two 1800 two sizes, 1800, 1200 for 50 millimeter. So we can use this one to create new size of the footing rectangular. How to do it? You press the edit type, and then the type properties window will be appear on your screen. So the first step is by press this to duplicate. You duplicate the type and then change the name. Let me have 1200, 1200 for 50, then OK. So accordingly you have to change the size of the foundation as well here, and then to continue you press OK. So here we already have this size, and you can use it. You can place the selected foundation type in any place, and currently we are working in floor plans level 0. We want to place the isolated foundation at the intersection of the grids that we have. So we select this command, add grids. So at the grid intersection, the isolated foundation will be placed. Press this button, and then you select all the grid. Select from right to left, then any grid line that intersect or crossing the boundary of the selection box will be selected. So then just simply press this button to finish. You can see here Revit give you a prompt warning mentioning that none of the created elements are visible in the floor plan or level 0 view. You may want to check the active view. So then foundation, the isolated foundation is located below the ground level, so that's why we cannot see. So then in order to be able to view the foundation, we have to set the view range or visible range. So let me escape to release the command of placement of isolated grid or isolated foundation at the grid intersection. So then we use the shortcut key is a VR, view range. Window will appear on your screen. So pressing so you can see this is how it looks like. And then you can see primary range at the bottom is level 0. So we set it to unlimited. View depth at level 0, we set it to unlimited. And then we press OK. So then you can see the foundation that already placed at the grid intersection. You can view the model, the foundation, model of the foundation in 3D view by press this button. You can see the foundation. And then you can play around with this one, the box here. So you can move by hold the left button, or you can select here, okay, and then click the home to the isometric view. And then to return back to the level 0, double click the floor plans level 0. Also you can still change the size of the column. Let's say the interior column will be bigger. You select the interior column by press and hold the control button on your keyboard. So the plus sign will appear next to the cursor, and then you can select add the selection. So you can change the size inside the properties here. So it becomes bigger. Okay, that's all. In this video tutorial, we already learn how to place the isolated foundation at the grid intersection, and also how to modify the selected foundation by changing the size or the type. In the next video tutorial, we will learn how to place column and do some modification to the column. Thank you.